it's Mally with Vapor Holding Technologies. Here today we have a K24A1 engine block girdle. You can definitely see that there is a lot of grease and grime. We are going to put it in the VH1000 and clean this up, and we will get back with you guys on the results. As you can see, it cleaned up pretty well. There is no grime, grease, or dirt. I would say this took me about 30 minutes to blast. If you have any questions about vapor honing, please call our sales team at 828-202-5563. Make sure you like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Thank you.